Hello everyone, I'm your very own law mentor Shivangi Agrawal, and since your exams are approaching, I have some incredible piece of news in store for you all. And I believe the hint of which you must have already obtained through the thumbnail by now. But before we actually begin this video, I insist everyone to please like, subscribe to the channel if you haven't yet, and share it with all your friends and juniors as much as possible to let everyone, all your friends, all the students also avail the benefit of this particular video. Now, ma'am, what are we getting for free? Well, wait. I will come to that, but as you all know, great things take time. So let's patiently wait for it. Let's stay tuned till the end of the video to discover that big news, great news, what are we getting for free. But before that, a gentle reminder to all of you about our last hope sale, which is already running. You can see the fees has been reduced almost 50%. So if you want this, then you can of course avail this opportunity. You can share it with your friends, juniors. Maybe someone is in need at this particular point of time, so please help them know about the sale which is live. All the details you can find here in the slide itself. Now, what are we getting for free? Well, the free chapters, there are certain chapters which are going to be completely free of cost, no hidden charges at all, but they are going to be available exclusively on our app Book My Video. So, what is it? For 1 week, that is starting from 23rd October to 31st October, if you have our app, well, you can check it out instantly. If you don't have our app, then you have to download it from the Play Store, Book My Video. And we have CMA students, we have CA students, and we also have CS students with us, connected with us. So for CMA students, these are the topics, these are the chapters which you'll find absolutely free. So if you have some fear in the chapter of corporate governance, which carries a high weightage, as promised, I even went for a poll, and the students who have participated in the poll or know about the poll, they would probably relate to it. I asked about 3 chapters. So ideally 2 chapters I'm already giving away for free for your full preparation, and the 3rd chapter is on its way as a revision one. Okay, so CMA final students, corporate governance, CMA inter students ethics, CMA foundation, Indian contract act. If I come to CA students, CA final directors, CA foundation, Indian contract act. So your big burden has been now reduced. If you can quickly revise it with me, or if you have any problem in any section, any concept, subscribe and avail this beautiful opportunity. 1 week full free, no hidden charges, nothing at all. Just download the app and start learning. And CS students, Competition Act, Corpora, Real Estate, 3 acts absolutely free for you. Okay, so go ahead and enjoy learning. How do you have to watch it? For your convenience, because there are ample of courses in our app. So for your convenience, what you can do is you will find this particular poster. When you open your app, in the home screen you will find this particular poster. If you click on the poster, if you tap on the poster, it will redirect you to the courses, and there you can find that particular chapter and enjoy learning. Simple. If still you have any confusion, well, our team is almost always ready to help. So our last hope sale as well as our free videos, they both are ending on 31st October. So wish you all the very best. Avail this particular opportunity, and happy learning. Thank you everyone.